Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes of credit scores? Have you ever applied for a loan, a new apartment, or even a fancy phone plan, only to be met with a mysterious number that seems to hold the key to your financial destiny? That number, my friends, is your credit score. It's a bit of a mystery box, this credit score. A 3-digit number that can feel as powerful as a secret handshake or a magic spell. But unlike those things, your credit score is based on real information, meticulously collected and stored by credit bureaus. One of the big 3 credit bureaus in the United States is Equifax. And let's face it, sometimes you just need to talk to a real person at Equifax, someone who can answer your questions about your credit report, troubleshoot any issues, or maybe even explain why that one random collection notice from a gym membership you forgot about in college keeps haunting you. So, the question is, how do you get in touch with Equifax by phone? Well, buckle up, because that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. We'll break down the different phone numbers for Equifax, what kind of help you can expect on the other end of the line, and even some tips on navigating the automated menus to get you to where you need to be faster. First things first, the main Equifax customer service number is 1-888-EQUIFAX1, 888-378-4329. This is your one-stop shop for most things Equifax related. They've got representatives available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, before you grab your phone and dial, here's a heads up, there can be a wait time when calling customer service lines. If you're short on patience, there are a few other options to consider. Equifax actually has a pretty robust online portal called My Equifax. Here, you can access your credit report for free, we'll get to that in a minute, dispute any errors you find, and even manage some Equifax products you might have signed up for. But let's say you absolutely need to talk to a human being. There might be a specific situation you need help with, or maybe you just prefer the personal touch. In that case, the good news is there are actually a few other Equifax phone numbers you can try depending on your specific needs. Here's a quick breakdown. If you have questions about the 2017 Equifax data breach, there's a dedicated line at 1-888-548-7878. Their hours are Monday through Friday 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and Saturday and Sunday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Need help managing your Equifax lock and alert product? This is the number for you, 1-888-548-7878. Same hours as the data breach line. If you're having trouble logging into your My Equifax account or need help with another Equifax product, you can call 1-866-640-2273. Their hours are Monday through Friday 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and Saturday and Sunday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, a quick word about that free credit report I mentioned earlier. You are entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. Here's the catch, you can't get all 3 at once. To get your free Equifax report, you can visit annualcreditreport.com or call 1-877-322-8228. Alright, that's the phone number rundown for Equifax. Remember, before you dial, know what kind of help you need and be prepared to navigate those automated menus. If you can handle it, My Equifax might be a faster option. But hey, if you just need to talk to a real person and get some things straightened out, don't hesitate to pick up the phone. After all, your credit score is an important part of your financial health, and sometimes a human touch can go a long way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.